Hi everyone, I am Abhisar Oja and welcome to the Simplilearn YouTube channel. And in this tutorial, we will learn to create a Discord bot and add it to our Discord channel. And here, we will learn how to get the following responses from the bot. The responses would be text, image, video, document or audio. And before starting, let us have a simple question to brush up on our knowledge. And it's related to Discord. And your question is, what is the minimum age to use Discord? And your options are, the first option is 18, the second option is 13, and the third option is 15, and the fourth option you get is none of these. So please answer in the comment section below, pause the video, give it a thought and answer in the comment section. And I have an insightful for you guys. If you are focused on building strong foundational skills for career growth, in that case you can check out a free course to learn Python basics with a completion certificate from Skillup by Simplilearn. You can check this course with the link in the description box below. And now, first we'll see the demo of our Discord bot and then we'll start to create our project. And for that, we'll move to our Visual Studio Code. So this is our Visual Studio Code and this is the code for the simple Discord bot. We'll also create the music Discord bot, but first we'll create the simple Discord bot to just get the responses from the bot as text, image, files or video. So we'll save this and run this. So it shows that we have logged in as Simplilearn bot. So we'll move to Discord and I've created the Simplilearn server and in that I have the Simplilearn bot. We will go step by step and I will show you how to create a server. And you can see the Simplilearn bot, it's active, it's showing the green sign or the green dot. And here we'll see what were the commands. If we just write hi, so we are in the general channel, and if we write hi, we get the response from the Simplilearn bot as hello. And if we write image, we'll get the image that is rewind.png, and this image is stored in the same folder as of the project. And if we write video, we'll get the python.mp4. This file is also stored in the same folder. And the audio will get this song, and this file is also stored in the same folder. And if we write file, we'll get the same file, that is python.pdf, and that is stored in the same folder. So I'll show you some commands. I will write image and the bot responds me with the rewind.png that is stored in the folder. I will show you guys. So this is the rewind.png what I got when I wrote image. So moving on, now we'll start with our bot and I will show you the demo of music bot before creating that. Now the first thing we will do is create a new folder for our project, and we'll create a folder and name it as Discord bot using Python. And in this folder we'll open the command prompt and we'll open our IDLE, that is Visual Studio Code. You can use any IDLE that you have hands on. We will be using the Visual Studio Code. And here we will create a file and name it as main.py. And before starting, the first thing we should do is install and import the libraries. And before starting, let us have a simple discussion about what is a Discord. So Discord is a voice and text communication platform for gamers. Players, streamers and developers use Discord to discuss games, answer questions, chat while they play and much more. It even has a game store complete with critical reviews and a subscription service. It is nearly a one-stop shop for game communities. I'll show you. I have downloaded the desktop version of Discord. So this is a Discord, and while there are many things you can build using Discord APIs, this tutorial will focus on a particular learning outcome: how to make a Discord bot in Python. And if I tell you what is a bot, so automated programs that look and act like users and automatically respond to events and commands on Discord are called bot users. So this was the brief about the Discord and what is a bot. Now we will start with how to create a Discord bot. So first, you should have an account on Discord. For that, you could simply go to the Discord website and register for that. And you can, if you're on desktop, you can download the desktop app, or you can access the Discord within the browser. Now you should have an account on Discord, and you should create a server in that. To create a server, you can see this plus sign, just click on that, that is add a server, and now you can see for whom you want to create the server. I want to create a server for my friends, and that would be for me and my friends, and he's asking for the server's name. So we will write project server, and we'll click on the create button. So we have created a server, and it has channels, that is general, games, music, and voice channels, that is lounge and stream room. Now we have created a server. Now we will move to Discord development website. For that, we will write Discord developer portal, and this is the website, that is http://discord.com developers talks intro. So in this website, we will create a new application. So first we have to go to the applications, and I've created 3 applications, and here we will create a new application and name it as project. We will tick all the permissions and click on the create, and now you could see the general information about the Discord bot. So if you want to upload any icon, you can do that for your bot, and we have named it as project, and we can tag it as bot and chat bot. And moving on, now we'll go to the bot. Okay, so first we will save the changes, and now we'll go to the bot and click on add bot, and now we have to confirm by clicking yes, do it. Now after the bot is added, now we'll copy the bot token, and before that we'll just give the bot permissions. And before giving the bot permissions, we'll go to the authorization tool, and here we'll select in-app authorization, and we'll select the scope as bot and give the permissions, add administrator permissions. And here we'll save the change, and in the URL generator we will select the scope as bot, and the bot permissions will set it as administrator, and we'll copy this URL and paste it here just to store that, and we'll open that in the browser. We have to open this in the browser, and here we'll see the server. We have created the project server. We'll select that, and we'll click on continue, and it has the administrator. We'll authorize it, and it's asking if we are a human or not. So we'll just fill its captcha and you can see that our both is authorized. So we will see in the Discord that project just showed up, that is the project board. So it has showed up but it's offline. So now we have to make it online. We'll do it by writing a code, and before that we have to generate the token of our bot. So in the authorization 2 we have done the things, and here we have generated the link and authorized our bot. Now here we'll give the permissions, that is requires authorization to code grant, parents intent, server member intent. Okay, we will give all the permissions as we would be creating the music bot also. So for that we would be requiring the administrator permissions. And that is all these permissions: send messages, create private threads, attach files, so all that. So here we'll save the changes and to get the token of our Discord bot, we'll click on the reset token and click on the yes to it. So we'll copy this token and paste it here. So it's our token, and this was the URL to authorize a Discord bot. So we would be using this token in a code to activate our bot and to get it online. And if you get your token mishandled or you have given to someone, you can just reset it. So after this project I will reset this token, so you guys can't use my token. So moving on, now we will install some libraries. That would be Discord library, and to install that I will show you the simple commands that is present in the browser. You just have to write install Discord Python library. Okay, and this is the official website. You just have to copy the command, move to your command prompt or the terminal of your ID, and just paste this command and press enter. You can see that the requirement is already satisfied as I have already installed the Discord library. So here I don't have to install it again, and you can do it just by writing the command in the command prompt or in the terminal, and here we are using pip to install the command. Now moving on, after installing the libraries and authorizing our Discord bot, now we'll write code to get our bot online and get some responses from him. So first we'll import the Discord library, and for that we'll write the command import Discord. So here we have imported the Discord, and now first we'll get our bot online, and for that first we'll set the intents, that is Discord dot intents dot all, and after that we will create a variable client, and in that we will call Discord dot client, and inside we'll write command prefix. So if you want to give any command, so if it has the prefix that will enter, so a bot would understand that. That would be exclamation mark. And we'll set the intents, that is intents equal to intents. We have created a variable and set the intents. Now we will create a event, that would be client.event. You could visit the Discord official website and see the documentation of how to install it. That is, if you want to use the pip command, you can use that in Linux, and you could see the voice port by NACL. We will install it for our music board, and you can see this is the quick example to see how we can use the Discord library. So we have set the intents, and now we're gonna make a bot active. So you could just visit the documentation, read it once, and you would understand how this library is functioning and what classes and functions it possesses. So we'll move back to our IDLE, and here we'll create the event. For that, we'll write @client, that the variable we have created, dot event, and inside it we'll use async and create a function that is on underscore ready, and here we will print that we have logged in. As if a bot has logged in, it should get printed. We have logged in as the name of the user or our bot. Okay, and we'll write dot format, and inside we'll pass client. Now we'll create another event, that is @client dot event, and inside we will create another function, that is on underscore message. So if we give any message to our bot, he will reply to us. So message, and if message dot author, so he is writing the message, is equal to client dot user, then we'll just return. And if message dot content dot starts with, that is if the message starts with hi, or we can write hello, so our bot should respond with something. So if our message starts with hi, so we will await, and message dot channel dot send will send hello. And now to make a bot active, the last thing we have to do is we have to run a token, run a bot with the help of token. So we have copied the token, and that we have copied here. So I'll copy this and paste it in client.run. So we'll save this and run it. So you could see that it has shared logging in using static token, and it has shared the session ID that the bot has been logged in, and what we have printed is that we have logged in as project hashtag 7634. So here we will move to our Discord, and here you can see that a bot has been online after we have run the code. That is, we can see the green symbol for that, and we have written the commands. If we write hi to a bot or the message which starts with hi, it would respond to us. So you could directly chat with the bot here. That is, just click on its symbol and you can message at the rate project. At the rate project, that is your bot. So we'll just write hi here, and you could see that our bot responds with hello. And if we go back to our project server, so this is a project server, and if we write hi in any channel, that is, we are writing in general channel, and press enter, so here also our bot will respond, that is hello. So now we'll add other functionalities so that a bot could respond to us in different ways. So now we will ask our bot to send an image. So the image could be sent through the bot in the form of file. We need to give the name to it, and the file should be in the same directory where our code is. It could be done by running the code that I will just show you. So here now we'll start with if message dot content dot starts with image. That is, if we have image, oh sorry, that would be here only. That is own message. We are writing in the function that is own message, and if the message dot content starts with image, if the message has image in it, so what we will do is we will write a command that is await message dot channel, in which channel we have got the command as image from the author. We will write the or send the file, that is, the bot will send the file in the same channel, that is message.channel.send, and here we will write the file name. And for that, first we'll see which files. So I have some files that I have used formerly, so that I've stored in new folder. So so these are the files that will ask our bot to return us back. That is the image rewind.png, Python PDF, and the Python MP4 file, and the MP3 file beautiful mistakes. So we will copy all these and paste in our directory, in the same directory that we are coding, that we are writing a code. Now we'll move back to our Visual Studio Code, and here we'll write the file name, that is file equal to discord dot file, discord dot file, and now the name of the file, that was rewind.png. So we'll save this and first run it to check if this command is working or not. So first we'll kill our terminal save it and run it, and we can see that it has given the session ID and we have logged in as project bot. We will move to our Discord, and here we will write image in the channel and you can see that our bot responded with the rewind.png image. So our command is working fine. Now after running this code, that is the type image in the channel, now the bot will respond with the image that we have given in the file, and we have seen that now we'll get the video, audio and a PDF file through the bot. Now to get these, first we must share the file name in the file section for the file that we need to share through the bot in order to acquire the video, audio or the file. Now we need to keep that file in the same directory where our code is there. As we have seen that we have kept that in the same folder. Now we will write the commands for video, audio and the PDF file. Now first we will write the command for video, and that is if message.content dot start with, that is video, await message dot channel dot send. Here we'll write the file name, that is file equal to discord dot file, and inside we'll pass python.mp4. and that would be in the inverted commas. Sorry for coughing. Oh, I have a little cough. Now we have set for the video. Now we'll set for the audio file, and for that we'll write the command, that is the same command, and we won't waste any time. We'll just copy it. We should code as fast as we can, and if the message contains the audio, so what we'll pass, we'll just see what we have. The name of the audio file, that is beautiful underscore mistakes and that is mp3. Beautiful underscore the M was capital, I think. Just check it. That is, yeah, M is capital. So now we have written for the audio file. Now we will write for the simple file, that is our PDF. So if our command, that is the command we will give to our board, if it contains the name file, then it will give us python.pdf. Okay. And we'll check the name. Okay, the P is capital for Python. And after that we have client.run. That's it. So we'll save this, and first we'll kill our terminal and click on the run button. So you can see that we have logged in as project, and now we'll move back to our board. So our board is active, and we'll start with the hi command. So it says hello, and if we write hi board, then also it says hello. That is, if our message contains hi, then the bot will respond with hello. And if we ask him the image, he'll respond us with the image. And if we ask him with the video, it takes time, like as the video is a bit larger in size. Okay, so it doesn't have any attribute video, that is python.mp4. We got an error here. Start with video file_file python.mp4. Just check. Yeah, this is the same file. The error should not have been occurred. Okay. We have asked for the video. Yeah. Okay, the error is we have written start with. It starts with. That's why I responded for image but not for video, audio, and the file. Now we'll save this, and first we'll kill the terminal and run the code again. We can see the session ID and it has logged in. Now we'll move back to our project, and now we'll ask the bot for video. Now we'll see what it responds. Yeah, you can see that it has responded with the video. You can also play it here. And if we ask for image, it gives us the rewind image. And if we ask for the audio, it has shared the audio, that is beautiful_mistakes. And we ask for the file please. So I think we got any error. That is content starts with file, and we have python.pdf, and the error is payload too large. Okay, the request entity is too large. So we have not subscribed with the Nitro version, so we can just send the 8 MB files. We'll just check what is the size. Okay, it's of 9 MB, so it won't share. So you can place any file that is less than 8 MB. Your bot would respond for that. And with that, we are done with our bot, and we are ready with our bot. And with that, we have come to the end of this session, and I have an insightful for you guys. That is, if you are aiming to get certified in Python programming and want to build a Python software development career, in that case, you can check the Python certification course by Simplilearn, which will open the doors for the best career opportunities. And to find the details of this Python certification course, you can check the link in the description box below. And I hope the session was interesting and informative. If you liked it, please let us know in the comment section below, and also do subscribe for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.